is nowhere near the isostatic equilibrium concept. Clear? Nowhere near the isostatic, क्योंकि हायर द मास और इससे आप बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं बता सकते. नेक्स्ट वन कौन आया? हिस्कैनन. हु कैम? हिस्कैनन. एंड हिस्कैनन ने क्या किया था? He has combined the concept of Airy and Pratt, and he said that each column has different density, and within each column there is a different density with a given, जो lower जो जहाँ पर रहेगा with a given what? Isopistic level. So write down isopistic level near astronosphere. So Hiskanen combined the concept of Airy and Pratt in which he has given following point. First, each column has different density. ये किसने बोला था? Who has said? Pratt. Each column has different density. Next point in the bracket means supported Pratt. In the bracket में लिख लेंगे supported Pratt. Next, within each column different density. Within each column, यदि different density होगा within each column, the root will be also different. Yes or not? यदि different densities होंगी तो दबाव अलग अलग होगा. Within each column different density which help indirectly to support the concept of root hypothesis of Airy Next point. That isopistic level is near asthenosphere in the form of mirror image. In the form of याद है ना, अभी आपने किया. ऊपर में आप 2 किलोमीटर आई साइड कर रहे हो तो नीचे एस्थेनोस्फीयर में क्या जा रहा है? रेस्ट. इट इज सिमिलर बट इन द व्हाट इज नेम स्ट्रेटम में आपको थोड़ी सी क्या दिख रही है? डेप्थ दिख रहा है. सो इन द एस्थेनोस्फीयर देयर इज एन व्हाट? मिरर इमेज. अंडरस्टूड? with a isopistic level. एक मिरर इमेज बन रहा है विद अ आइसोपिस्टिक लेवल. Hiskanen. Then Mr. Hucam Wenning. Hucam? So Wenning has given which model? Fletcher model. What he has given? क्या बोला इन्होंने? लिथोस्फीयर इज इलास्टिक. व्हाट इज दैट? लिथोस्फीयर को इन्होंने क्या बोला? इलास्टिक. एंड asthenosphere molten, that is plastic. Clear? And with the help of, he has given Flexner model, means elastic rebound theory. Elastic rebound theory. Elastic rebound theory. Clear? समझ में आ चुका? What he has given? So when you are putting some load then elastic lithosphere over plastic asthenosphere. क्या मैंने बोला? When the mass is depositing over the elastic lithosphere on plastic asthenosphere, then under the pressure it will what? Bend down. But when the mass is and again returning back in the same position. Elastic rebound. Understood? Denudation started happening. अब क्या स्टार्ट होना? Denudation and degradation. Better to say degradation. Isostatic bias. So each stage is itself isostatic bias. Each stage is what? सारे के सारे स्टेज क्या है according to him? Isostatic bias. Clear? Degradation completely finished. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब कि Aravalli mountain, it means who? Great Dividing Range, Appalachian mountain range in the North America. They are about to achieve its what? Complete degradation and then final isostatic balance equilibrium. Yes or no? लेकिन वो हर एक स्टेज अपने आप में isostatic equilibrium है, लेकिन वो शांत नहीं है. So I said that, हमने क्या बोला? I said at the same time Mr. Wenning, listen me, what he did, he went into the trench region at the subduction zone and he found that there is a high, very highly cold, and then colder substance is showing more elastic, and where there is a hotter substance is showing less elasticity. What he said? What he said? At the subduction zone, trench is very colder and that is more elastic, therefore he is able to sustain the mountains for long millions of years. And then where there is what, it is hotter, that is what, it is more vulnerable to, it is in a plasticity, it will show. वो कैसा स्ट्रक्चर देगा? He is not be able to sustain the any feature for longer time. तो वहां पर उन्होंने कोल्ड और ठंडे को इलास्टिसिटी से कंपेयर किया, मीन्स कोल्ड एंड देन हॉट. द कोल्डर वन इज मोर, एंड देन वन यू कैन सी एंटार्क्टिका. इज इट ओके? सो राइट डाउन. In the deep trenches after survey, दिख रहा है ना ट्रेंच में आपको कैसा दिख रहा है? यस, आप लोग ये ध्यान से देखें. इट इज हैज बीन बेंडेड लाइक दिस. और जब a girl is jumping into the water, तो वो अपने बहुत ज्यादा वेट देती है. यस और नॉट? सो जब ज्यादा इलास्टिक होता है, इट हैज गॉन डाउन, इट इज एबल टू पुट द वेट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. बड़ा ज्यादा वेट रख सकता है ना. यस और नॉट? एंड दिस इज द सबडक्शन जोन. प्लेट इज सबडक्टिंग बिलो. तो उन्होंने कोल्ड बोला, एंड देन कोल्ड, इट इज वेरी कोल्ड एंड इट इज हैविंग एन अ वेरी हाई व्हाट इज ना elasticity. This part of lithosphere is highly elastic. Therefore, it is able to what? Give an isostatic balance to fold mountains. Understood? So write down. क्या लाइन बोला था? What the line I have said? In the deep trenches, after survey, he found that the lithosphere is very cold and colder lithosphere shows more elasticity than comparatively hot. Therefore, at the subduction zone, the subducting oceanic lithosphere or plate able to hold compressed fold mountain, compressed fold mountain in isostatic equilibrium. Clear? समझ में आ गया? तो आज के डेट में क्या वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग दिस इलास्टिक रिबाउंड थ्योरी? अभी जब मैं बता रहा था, अभी मैंने एक एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन दिया था, इफ द ग्लेशियर विल मेल्ट इट विल मूव अप. बता रहा था ना, व्हेन द ग्लेशियर 3 किलोमीटर थिक, इफ इट विल मूव अप देन इट विल बी मूव अप. नीचे का मिरर इमेज क्या होगा? ऊपर जाएगा. तो प्रेजेंट टाइम में वी आर फॉलोइंग व्हाट? स्कैनन एंड इलास्टिक रिबाउंड concept, but not totally like this जैसे इन्होंने बोला, but elastic rebound. In the present context, in the present modern time, for isostatic equilibrium, we are following the combined concept of Shannon and the Wanning flexure model. Elastic rebound theory given by Wanning. Clear? So we have seen isostasy. Last line लिखेंगे. दो चीजें मैं बताऊंगा, and what are the two things that we'll see, and then first हम लोग जो देखेंगे वो क्या रहेगा कि in the world which are completely got the isostatic equilibrium, Africa continent and then Australia, but it is in Australia में थोड़ा सा great dividing range को हटाया जाए तो हम लोग लिखेंगे and then which are the continents are still, क्योंकि अभी भी अपलिफ्ट हो रहा है तो आइसोस्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम हर पोजीशन पे चेंज होते जा रहा है. So which are the continents which are not under the isostatic equilibrium? साउथ अमेरिका एंडेस माउंटेन की वजह से अभी वो आइसोस्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम है, ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन अगेन दोबारा से होगा, फिर जाएगा, फिर एक्स्ट्रा मास कीप ऑन आवर व्हाट changing the isostatic equilibrium. And then European countries, yes, Alps and all, North America and Asia, Himalayas and all. So these are the continents. South America, North America, Europe and Asia are not in isostatic equilibrium, along with Antarctica, along with glacier hai. When the glacier finally, when it is on Greenland, why do the Greenland is uplifting? Why do the Greenland is uplifting? In 1000 years around it is uplifted by, I said that 10 meter through the isostatic equilibrium, क्योंकि glacier melt हो रहा है. When the glacier is melting, then it is now what? Uplifting the Greenland. आपको दिख रहा है ना, so much of glacier is melting in the Greenland, nearby Finland, जहाँ पे Baltic Sea and all, it is uplifting. It is showing, I said that. And one, I said that when the glacier, Himalaya was flooded with the glacier, it has also shown upliftment after the melting of glaciation in the Himalayas. It has also shown the upliftment. Understood it? इसका मतलब isostatic equilibrium. So in the present time, the continents like